Puonj Marnat koro dwaro mondo miyo gol chik kama osebedo katamo jopuonje moriembe tich yudo omenda magaeri. Kolose gwenge ma Kilifi e kinde romo manokelo kanyakla jopuonje kaunti no, jagoro Marnat Collins Oyu wacho ni poni oriemb japuonj moro amora e tich, ok owinjore tuono omenda mare mosekuno kuom thuolo mosetiye. Oyu dwaro bende mondo duol marango weche jopuonje mano Teacher Service Commission ochul jopuonje omenda mekgi mabalang'.
Secretary wetu pale ili
Kilifi branch, I won't fail to appreciate you all for standing attending interview.
Umefanya makosa, you have been interdicted and dismissed. In that case, the bill and the code of regulations does not allow you to pay anything. Unaenda nyumbani. Our proposal as a union, when you are dismissed for whatever reason, your behavior has nothing to do with your benefits. Uwe umenyonga mtu, whichever case, the fact remains that you worked for Teacher Service Commission for some years. Let TSC pay you the number of years for which you worked. When you are still a good man, a good woman.
Watu wengi wanajipata in trouble for lack of knowledge. Wakipata watu ambao watawaelekeza vizuri, you really have very few cases of indiscipline on our teachers.
We need your advice, your support, so that these teachers can execute their duties wholeheartedly for the betterment of the innocent child.
Utakuta walimu walioandikwa na serikali ni 12, walimu ambao wanalipwa na pesa ya mzazi ni 40.